channel. So today I'm going to be doing some Halloween themed DIYs. It has been a minute since I did DIYs on this channel. I kind of went down the path of doing Bath & Body Works themed videos for a while, but I am trying to include some DIYs still. So that's why today I'm going to show you some Halloween themed DIYs. For this first DIY, you need some candle holders or candle pillars, some plain candles with no glass around them, hot glue, and some black spray paint. So the first thing I'm doing is gluing my candles to the pillars or just right on top of the candle holder. For some reason, the wax on these candles was pretty slippery, so the hot glue didn't really want to stick to it, but I tried my best to get them to glue to the glass. And then all you do is create a bunch of dripping-like effects on your candle going down your candlestick as well with the hot glue. So you're just going to go around the entire candle and just squeeze it out to the point where it just kind of drips on its own and goes down the candlestick until it dries, and then it just looks like white melted wax all over your candle and your candlestick. After I went through about 6 or 7 glue sticks, I felt like my candles had enough drips on them to the point where they were pretty much covered, so they looked like the candle wax was dripping everywhere. Once your glue dries, you are going to take it outside to spray paint black. I did 3 different coats until it was completely covering up the white, and then it only took a couple hours to dry. Once they are dry, then you are all done and you have your spooky looking candelabras. I really liked how these turned out. I especially liked the third one that's shorter than the rest. I think it looks really awesome. For the next DIY, you need some empty containers, empty bottles, or old vases. And what you're going to do is you're going to make sure they're completely emptied out and dry, and then you're going to spray paint them completely black. Then once they dry, you can really put whatever you want in them, but I thought it'd be really cool to put these black flowers. I got one of these picks from Michael's, and then I got the other from Dollar Tree. So I am just removing these flowers from their stem and then arranging them how I liked them to look. And that's really all you have to do. And then they look like dead or spooky flowers, where they kind of look like they're in the shadows, and I think they turned out really pretty. And then this last craft, I can't even really call a DIY because all I did was take this Feather of the Raven jar that I found at Target in the dollar section for $1. And since it said Feather of the Raven, I got some black feathers from Michael's and I just stuck one inside of the jar, and then I thought it would look weird if I put more than one, so I just used the other ones to kind of place around the jar. And that is some very easy decor decorating right there. It was super easy to do, and I think it turned out cute. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed these DIYs, please let me know in the comments down below if you're gonna try any or anything like that. And if you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.